Hi guys, after a long gap year. So I hope you people are safe at home. Please be alright. We can assure you that this may not be an effective one like a regular classroom lecture. Still, we meant to support you through this one. So hope you guys will follow. So this video is all about a short poem, Trophic Cascade, written by Camille D. Dungy or Dungy, whatever. So she is an African American poet. It is a short poem, deals with the central theme is all about a reintroduction or re-emergence of a new species into a specific zone. Here it is a national park at USA called Yellowstone National Park, and the species introduced in this region is called gray wolves. So, what do you mean by this trophic? Trophic is the relationship between species in a food chain or chain or web. It is an ecological phenomena where removal of a kind of predator makes changes in the lives of beings around it. The central theme of the poem is all about what all the changes that happened to Yellowstone National Park at USA after the reintroduction of grey wolves into the park. Trophic cascade is an ecological phenomenon. The inclusion or the removal of a top predator brings changes in the ecosystem. Here it is grey wolves, and those are predators which hunts other animals for their food. Once the increased population of these type of grey wolves caused threat to the other organisms which became the prey for the grey wolves. So the authority noticed that this will be harmful for the other animals existing there, so they had to remove those animals from the zone. What happened after that? The removal of these type of grey wolves resulted in the increased population of herbivorous animal in that region, so which caused threat to the flora and fauna of this region. The plant eaters started to eat shrubs, herbs and other grasses, and all which affected the environment negatively. Vanishing or decreased level of these type of plants, or the level of these plants cause absence of rainfall. Through this, the water stuffs got disturbed. As a result, many plants, birds, or some insects were vanished from this national park. What made all those things to happen? Just a removal of a single breed or single species from the environment. How important each and every creature in this world or this environment or this food chain is explicitly visible here. Is a good example for how the entry or removal affects the whole environment. Population of each and every species should be in a balance in order to support or benefit the existence and survival of other animals too. Authority expected, the grey wolves started to hunt the herbivorous animals for their food, and the system got balanced. Population of each and every species is important to balance the environment. This is all about Trophic Cascade, written by Emily D. Dungy.